like by observing parents, children, they can do wonder in their life. You are saying so
Yes.
right. Yeah.
Yes, we should lead the example. If we want our children to do that thing, we want our children to get that accomplishment. So we should lead that example.
Even
So
face
if
to
we
face
do
as well, I can speak nowadays.
means you have literally beat the bullet and hit the nail on the head, I would say.
Yeah. Yes, you can
Yes, you
say
did a
complete
really a
background is so
tremendous job.
difficult, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes,
even it can, get interesting for other
yes, yes,
people. They feel monotonous while watching this kind of video. But ma'am, communicational video, what are like nowadays we are connecting to each other and we are, preparing this kind of video. So it's so nice for other like beginners and for us as well. We are
yes.
learning as well as, yeah, we are uploading video. Other people, okay, they can learn something from our video.
Yes, here I would like to add one thing, ma'am. Since long time I am watching videos, not these videos or this material, I would say related to English. But this communication videos, it's like a milestone. Ma'am, right? How are you?
Yes, hello, ma'am. Yes, I'm doing wonderful, ma'am. What about you?
I am also doing great, ma'am. Thanks for accepting my invitation, accepting my request. Thank you very much for that. How was your day,
Yes,
ma'am?
welcome. Yes, my day was good. My day is good. You can say I have completed some household chores. I have, done my exercises, meditation, havan, everything, chanting. And now
Wow.
I have connected with other, okay, lady. Just I have completed one session with another. Now I am connected, yeah, connecting with you.
Yes, 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 yes.
So I am very happy, ma'am. I am very happy to have this session with you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. Even I am also feeling really thrilled about it because yesterday I watched your one session with Kirti ma'am, and there you were talking about meditation and many things like this, spiritual things as well. So I really felt enjoying to join with you.
Okay. Yes, yes. Means a lot,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, I'm more into spirituality, ma'am. Like, if you ask, so how do you relax your time? How do you relax? Okay, after doing different kinds of work, so always I feel relaxed while listening spiritual talks like motivational speech and doing ritual things.
Wow, wow, that's great of you. Real nice of you.
Yeah.
So, do you want to ask me anything, ma'am?
Yes, first you ask. Whatever you
Okay,
have.
ma'am.
After that, definitely I'll ask.
So first, please introduce yourself to my viewers. Then I'll follow you with my introduction.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, sure. Yes, my name is Ranjan. Thank you for asking, ma'am. My name is Ranjana Srivastava. I am from Delhi. I am doing my own business. I have a ladies boutique. If you talk about my education, I have done graduation in history honors. Along with that, I have done diploma in stitching work and computer. Yeah, I am mother of two kids. Nowadays, I am a YouTuber too. I am running a small YouTube channel by the name of my channel Learning with Ranjana, and nowadays I am exploring, okay, my English learning things whole day, like from social media I am exploring, and in this way I am growing myself day by day. Yeah, to update myself. Yes, this is all
Yes.
about me, ma'am.
It is really a nice introduction, ma'am, and you are into many things. You have done stitching diploma, you have done computers, you are running your own boutique, and now you are running your own channel. So you are really versatile person, I would say. And that too,
Thank
you
you
are in
so much.
spirituality as well, right?
Yes, I'm more into yoga spirituality. Yes, yoga
Yes.
and spirituality. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So now I will
Now,
introduce myself to you and your
yeah.
viewers. My name is Shamal. I hail from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm a phonic teacher, mother to two sons, enthusiastic Kathak learner. Now I'm at third level. And nowadays I have been my bonnet about learning and polishing this language. As far as my education concerned, I'm commerce graduate. I have done post-graduation diploma in international business. Then I worked for an MNC for a couple of years. But because of my family responsibilities, I had to quit. Then when I had some free time, I did ECCA certified phonic course, and since 2018, I'm running my own classes, phonic classes, and now I'm learning this language, trying to polishing it. And if you ask me about my hobbies, I like to listen to music, listen to English podcasts, conversational videos, mostly English content. Try to watch web series, and I love to cook food as well. So I prepare many dishes for my kids. So this is pretty much about me, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, okay. One thing, it's a similar. Two things like we are learning English, we are learner, and second thing is like I am also fond of cooking. Whenever I
Wow.
get time, I want to immerse. Okay, with cooking only.
Wow, very nice. It is like one kind of meditation, I would say. If you start to cook anything,
Yes.
it is a meditation. If you give it your focus, 100%,
Yeah.
your concentration, that recipe will definitely turn to be a really very delicious dish, right?
Yeah. Yes.
It might be
Yes.
anything, any traditional authentic dish or any other dish you are trying new one. So if you give your heart and soul, it will definitely turn out to be a really delicious or extinguished dish, I would say.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
You are saying right. Whatever we have done, but it's extremely, yes, delicious taste always.
Yes,
Yeah.
because see, sometimes even our children also don't like to eat any fancy food. They also like to eat some authentic, the traditional food also. Just that simple food also, if we give our 100% over there, that definitely turn out to be a definite, I would say, delicious dish, as I said earlier. So it is not mandatory to keep every time fancy dishes. Sometimes these simple dishes also make you happy by serving others,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, yes. Every day, like spicy food or Chinese, it's not good.
Not good for health.
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes, most of the time, simple food. It's so
Yes.
nice.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Like chapati, vegetable, rice pulse, and different kinds of like sauce, uh,
Yes.
homemade.
Yes, curries, different types
Nowadays,
of curries, beans
yeah,
you can add sprouts also, different
yes,
kinds
yes,
of grains. But as you said, that really that junk food every day is not possible, and it is not actually it is not good for our health,
mm,
right?
yes,
And when
yes,
our children are growing, that time we have to give them nutritional food, not this
yes,
junk
yes.
food.
My
Yes.
children, they are college going students, ma'am. My daughter,
Okay.
she has completed PG, MA.
Okay.
Yeah, now she is about to join other job maybe after 1 month or yeah.
Okay. Mine elder one he is a 17-year-old and the younger one is 13-year-old.
Okay.
Both are
My
teenagers.
daughter, she is 23,
Oh
and
wow.
my son, he is younger one. He is pursuing BS in forensic science, so he is 20.
Quite
Yeah.
grown up children you have.
Yes, yes,
Still, ma'am, food matters, right? If we eat outside food, still it matters because nowadays weather is not that
yes,
much good. Climate changes every time, and if we prefer junk food, it will definitely hamper our health, right?
yeah.
So I always try to prefer the homemade food only, do it for children or for the adults.
Yes, nice, nice.
Yes.
So nice thought you have. I'm also, ma'am, I'm not fond of, having outside food.
Hmm. Hmm.
I like most homemade food only. Everything you can say, like pizza, burger, pav bhaji, everything, but homemade only, not outside food. So yeah,
Yes.
because ma'am, we are indulge. Okay, we indulge always in different kinds of household chores. So sometimes my daughter, my son, they prepare different kinds of food.
Yes. Even my
Different,
elder one,
different.
he also likes to prepare different kinds of food
Yeah.
because they nowadays
Yes.
they are exploring new things, right? And if they cook by themselves, they definitely feel very happy and feel like they have done
Yes.
something
Yes.
really a good thing or the different thing.
Yes, I have prepared. Like they think, na, I have prepared something delicious. Okay,
Yes.
compared to market, it's so nice. Okay, by looking like, and it's so tasty after
Hmm.
having, and we don't have to spend money more. Yeah,
Yes, with the less money we get, come up with a good food, healthy
yeah,
food.
yeah.
Because outside, if we eat the
Very
same
less
food,
amount of time. Yeah, in very
yes,
less amount of time, less amount of time or less amount of money, we can prepare something delicious. So
yes,
definitely, it would be, yeah, happiness for us.
yes, and every time eating outside food, that also becomes sometimes monotonous, right? So
Yeah,
preparing at home, exploring new dish, and making ourselves proud, that is also really a different thing, right?
yeah, yeah. And nowadays,
Yes,
ma'am, YouTube have plethora of things, okay? So
yes,
we can learn whatever we want to learn, like cooking, knitting something, like cleaning,
everything, ma'am,
everything
everything.
we can
Yes, yes,
learn.
everything we
How
can
to
get
do
with
chat,
our
how to do,
tip
yeah,
of our finger. Because even like this English also, 10 years back, it was not that much easy to learn this language, to get this kind of conducive environment, or people to talk with the same mindset,
yeah,
right? So now we can easily
yes,
connect with this social media. So really, it has a good side for us, right? The social media is giving a lot of things to us for learning. Do you have any? Do
yes,
you facing
yes.
any problem?
No, no, that time I couldn't see your face, okay, exactly. So that is why maybe I thought my light is very less.
Okay,
So
okay.
just I increased. So you are
Yes, ma'am.
speaking so well, ma'am. When did you start your spoken English journey? First question goes to you, and second question goes to you. You are from other background, or you are from English
Okay.
medium background?
Definitely, I would like to give you answer, ma'am. Thanks for your question and as well as your appreciation. I have done my schooling from Marathi medium. Did my college from English medium, but that time it was not that kind of conducive environment around me. We were all Marathis and we used to speak in Marathi only. So that time I was not that much into it that I have to learn this language. After that, and I did my job as well. But because of family, I quit it. But when I started to teach my children, both are in the convent school, by teaching them, I learned a lot. And both,
Okay.
yes, both they both speak really well. And as far as my speaking journey, it has been started in September 2025. But I was not that much consistent. So I would say from the January 2026, I'm consistent about it. So language I knew, but the speaking was the different part for me. And as I visited few
Yes.
countries, so there I found, see, though we know the language, we know how to speak, but when it comes to real speaking with people, then it is like hard nut to crack, right? So yeah, that
Yeah, yeah.
breaking ice or initiating any topic, it was really very hard for me. So that's why I joined some platforms, WhatsApp platforms, where some people who come together and speak on the same topic. So that was really needful for me. So because of that, this what speaking journey I started in January, and now I'm in front of you. But it was not
Okay.
easy for me.
Yes, it was not easy for us, but
Yes.
even though you are putting your heart and the soul into it in this language, so it's so appreciable.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you very much. But you are also really speaking very well. See, in my perception, if you are speaking any language, the language should be understood by the person whom are you talking to, right? So if
Yeah.
that language shouldn't be the barrier, it should be the medium. So
Medium.
may you speak the basic language, may you speak the advanced, but the thought you are expressing, if the person is understanding you, then it is the right way or it is the right approach, I would say. See?
Yes, then it can get interesting for other
Yes, yes,
people. They feel monotonous while watching this kind of video. But ma'am, communicational video, what are like nowadays we are connecting to each other, and we are preparing this kind of video. So it's so nice for other like beginners and for us as well. We are
Yes.
learning as well as, yeah, we are uploading video. Other people, okay, they can learn something from our video.
Yes, here I would like to add one thing, ma'am. Since long time I am watching videos, not these videos or this material, I would say related to English, but this communication videos, it's like a milestone, right? These
Yeah.
communication videos evolve this thing, learning. Previously, it was not that much easy when two people are conversing with each another, and we are watching them, and we are also trying to articulate same thought, and we are getting words from them. So now, yes, as you said, it has become really very easy to speak with the person by watching others. Like
Yes, yes, yeah.
it has become really very easy.
If you talk about my learning, okay, perspective, so yes, I have learned from so yes, like communicational video only, by
Hmm.
and like how while doing household chores in initial stage, always I like to listen this kind of video, conversational video. So people, which kind of way they have, which kind of word they use, like how they talk, and in this way, like I have learned so many things, and I have interest, ma'am. Okay, while watching this kind of video, conversational video, always I get interest.
Yes, and we get many insights as well, ma'am. Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. And good content is we get good content as well. Right? So
Yes.
relatable
Yes.
topics we can get, like general topics also, even sometimes of educational topics also we get. So see, any topic if we get and we get the insight about it, we get the vocabulary about it, is like a means fruitful thing for us, right? We are learning
Yes.
it
Yes.
by each and every videos, and as you said, it is really very true. Listening to others is it's a foundation of our learning, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Mm.
So I started from scratch, ma'am. I have done my graduation in history honors, okay, only by Hindi background, only by Hindi medium. So
Okay.
I didn't have this kind of, environment. I couldn't get this kind of platform. Nowadays we have plethora of things in front of us, and we can learn yes, all things by social media, by communication, by everything. But earlier I couldn't get. So I have done my graduation and all study from government school, and I'm basically from Bihar, ma'am. So in Bihar, uh, situation it's so different nowadays. It's maybe improved, but earlier, nowadays government okay implemented some rule and regulation in education, but in my time, totally different scenario was totally different. Okay, just by hard working, like I could learn everything.
Oh.
But teachers, they didn't like provide us
Oh.
environment for getting knowledge or getting something. So I am like very far from this language now. My children, they have grown up. Then I thought, no, should like I should utilize time for myself. Just I try to learn. And first time my daughter motivated me to learn this language. Then I tried, but it was so difficult for me. And you can say like it was bite the bullet for me. And after doing hard work, now I am capable to speak in front of you, and even face to face as well. I can speak nowadays.
Means you have literally beat the bullet and hit the nail on the head, I would say.
Yeah. Yes, you can
Yes, you
say
did a
Hindi
really a
background is so
tremendous job.
difficult, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
And at this age, that too at this age, because sometimes age also matters, right? Though we say
Yeah.
age is a number, age is just a number, it's just a saying, man, ma'am, right? So it is always easier
Yes. Yes.
said than done. When we get into this, that time we face that difficulties. After 40s, I would
Yes. Yes.
definitely say that after 40s, learning new things become bit difficult. What is your opinion?
Difficult. No, you are saying right. Just because after 40, our memory power, ma'am. Okay, day by day, decreasing, not increasing. When we were child, when we were students, okay, that time we have good memory power. And nowadays, day by day, sometimes I think, like initial stage, always I think, so I cannot be fluent in this language, but I try. And maybe it's so difficult for me, uh, but I have, this desire to learn this language. So it is my childhood dream. Then maybe I can accomplish nowadays.
Yes, yes, yes. Likewise, ma'am. Likewise, same. I was thinking it was my childhood dream. My dream were two, like speaking English, and the next one is the learning classical dance. So I am right now pursuing both. So I'm really feeling very
Oh,
happy about
nice.
it, and I'm really feeling happy about you also, that you have
And thank you
also.
for your kind-hearted, ma'am. Thank you for your kind word and appreciation as well, ma'am. But you are learning Kathak, so it's so difficult, ma'am. I am saying definitely, like I must say, because my daughter, she has completed Kathak dance
Wow, she did
for
Visharad.
6 years. Not Visarad, Prabhakar.
Okay, okay, okay. Wow. So you definitely
Yeah.
must be aware about it, right?
Yes, yes, I know. And I try to learn. I tried to learn, ma'am, Kathak dance. So I told my daughter, so Soumya, you learn, okay? After that, you make me teach. Like you make me learn. You
Learn.
teach me, okay?
Yes.
So different kind of steps. But it was so difficult. No, I couldn't. Some people, ma'am, different kinds of mindset we have. Some they
Yes.
are good at different kinds of activity, some they are different kinds of. So I am good at education,
Hmm.
educational things. But my daughter, she is totally different. Okay, she is good at music and dance. She has done
Wow.
BA, done MA from music.
Wow. Excellent. Excellent. And she is Kathak dancer as well. Wow. Like
Yes,
it's like
yes.
a cherry on the top, right?
Yes, you can say so.
Say,
Totally different from me, my daughter. Yes.
but this is reflection of you only, right? As you like to learn new things, she is also like that. Am I right? So
Could be,
she's
could
she,
be, but
yeah,
God
she is
gifted
in.
her.
Yes, she is unique in her way, and you are unique in your ways, right? So,
Yes,
but
you can
the
say. Hmm.
consistency and the focus and the perseverance children get from their parents only, from their surrounding.
Yes,
So, I
yes,
would
yes.
say that you need that applause. You deserve that applause, right? So because
Hmm.
of you, she learned, she persevered that thing, she committed to that as well. Because see, sometimes what happened, ma'am, though people are talented, but they don't try to be consistent, or they don't be
Yes,
consistent because of their surrounding, because of their company. But if they get that same mindset people around them, they will definitely do wonders in their fields. Are you
yeah,
getting me? So
yes,
anybody,
yes, yes.
it might be anybody who get that kind of surrounding, na, that person will definitely do the wonder. That is my belief. That is my belief. If you get that kind of
Thank you
mindset people with you.
for giving me this kind of appreciation. Yes, but you are you are saying right, ma'am. Okay, you are saying so right. Sometimes, okay, we are so while talking, we are like, what do we call, like एकदम उसमें बह जाना. So
Carried
like
away,
हम
carried
बन.
away.
Yes.
Yes,
So, ma'am, you are saying right, because by doing, like by observing parents, children, they can do wonder in their life. You are saying so
yes,
right. Yeah.
yes. We should lead the example. If we want our children to do that thing, we want our children to get that accomplishment. So we should lead that example. So if we do something, then the children will definitely follow us, because we are the role model for them, right? So as you are saying, you are
Yeah.
running your own boutique. So you're also doing something different at your level, right?
Yes,
So
and my
because
yes,
running
ma'am.
business, being a housewife and serving to everybody, it is not a, I would say it is not a easy task for everybody, right? But I think it is a cakewalk for you.
Not cakewalk, but yes, I tried my best, ma'am, because this is my childhood dream. And second thing is my daughter, she was good at music and dance. So she is, so passionate to do such kind of things. But in my family, my husband was not ready. Even my parents, they were also not ready. They are always ready to fight with me.
Oh my God.
So,
Your parents.
yeah, my parents, because in my maiden house all are like professor and doctors.
Okay.
Yeah, all are much educated person, like my siblings, my cousin, all. So one is doctor, one is professor, one is something like much educated person. But my daughter, she has interest in different field. So that is why my family like member, they were not supportive that time. But now they always praise her,
So here, ma'am,
always.
I would like to ask you one question that if like now in today's generation, see now your mother. So if we force anything to them, will it be right thing or the wrong thing? Or will it be beneficial for
Yeah.
them or us if we
I
force
feel, ma'am,
anything?
I never impose them, ma'am. I feel whatever they want to do in their life, if they have dream to do such kind of things, so definitely they can do. And without getting tired, they can do whole day because they have interest,
Yes,
they
yes,
are
very true.
passionate. So that is why I feel I never impose them, and I feel so if they have desire, so they can accomplish their goal. Definitely, they can achieve their goal. My
Very
daughter,
true,
she has
ma'am. Very
different
true.
interest. My son, he has different interest. He is a science, okay. He is interested in science subject, and my daughter, she is interested in art subject. Art, like totally art, you can say music and Kathak dance.
Wow, I
So
would really like to means appreciate you only for that. See, because as a parent, even nowadays also people are orthodox. I have seen many people are orthodox. Initially, it was really different time. That time things were not to explore. Things were not available to
yeah,
explore people. But now we have many platforms. We have many things to explore, many streams to explore, and children are aware about it because they are now connected to the whole world. That world has become narrow because of the internet, right? So people are aware about the new things and they are aware about the opportunities as well. And children are more what say more educated than us. If they have any
yes,
interest
yes.
about their
They are smarter than
different thing,
us.
yes, in different things, they will definitely come to us with complete knowledge, and they know each and every way to make us understand, to make us convince about it, right? And nowadays
Yes,
children are very matured, I would say. They think
yes, ma'am.
wisely, and they always ready to put their thoughts. They always ready to clear the questions of us, right? So
Yeah, yes.
like forcing them or suppressing their ideas, their views, it is not the right thing, I would say. If they want to explore anything, it is our duty to support them, cooperate them,
Yeah, yes,
right?
yes. So, yes, ma'am, I have done in my
Yeah.
life. And so many times, ma'am, I fought with my husband, okay, for my daughter, and with my family member, with my parents, because my father always tried to make me understand. So no, all family member, like all your siblings, they are professor and they are uh, in different posts, good posts, they are on top notch. So why are you okay impose and not you are why are you
Why not forcing
forcing?
her?
Yeah, why are you not forcing her for education, for academic things? But I think no, if I am forcing, so she cannot do like imagine. We cannot imagine, so she can do wonder.
Yes, here I would like to give you example of my guru, and she is in her 40s, and now she is running four branches, and each branch I would tell you more than 200 children are there. Means
Like by observing parents, children, they can do wonder in their life. You are saying so
yes,
right. Yeah.
yes, we should lead the example. If we want our children to do that thing, we want our children to get that accomplishment. So we should lead that example. So if
Okay. So what is her name, ma'am? Tell me
her name is
your
Shraddha.
guru name.
Yes, Shraddha ma'am, and
Shraddha.
she and we are means we are from Mumbai, Maharashtra. So see, and her daughter, she is also in I think on the fifth level, fifth or sixth level, and there are many students under her. They are also running their own classes. See, means just
Okay.
we should we have to let them explore their interest. We shouldn't suppress them because we don't know what thing will shine and when,
Yeah,
right?
yes,
And if
yes.
they do their interesting things, they will definitely put their 100% and come out as a sparkling star, I would say,
Yes,
right?
absolutely. So, ma'am, tell me now you are learning Kathak. Okay, you are maybe on third stage.
Third
You
level,
are
yes.
saying. So, tell me, ma'am, it's so difficult for you or it's easy for you?
Uh, it's like mixed emotions, I would say. Means initially, I joined this course just as a passion only because I love to dance. I just joined to just move myself, like to be myself light in the dance. But when I continued it, when first exam was there, it was easy. But when it comes to the second exam, it was completely academic. And then the hand
Mm.
moves and the leg moves and everything coordination
Yeah,
should be
yes.
there and tatkar should be proper, your right foot should be on the sum, means these all technical things then come, right? And then it was a bit hard for me, so because at this age after 40, that leg and hand coordination and that your cognitive skill should be also there, so it was a bit difficult for me. But yes, my exam went really well, and now I'm feeling really well at third level. But yes, it is difficult to uh, absorb things at this age, because here I won't say
Yes,
that
yes.
yeah, age is just number. No, it is easier said than done, because after 40, some people, I don't say not all, some people may find problems, because I face problems, still I'm facing, but I will definitely do till I can do, until I'll say no, I now I can't do that time. Till that time I'll definitely do this practice. I'll definitely continue my course. Here
But
even now
ma'am,
also, yes,
yes, yes, yes, carry on.
even now also I feel, ma'am, why didn't I join it before? If I had joined it
Oh,
before,
yes,
I should have finished till now. But now, see this,
yes.
ma'am. And one more thing I would like to tell you, ma'am. It is really very important thing. Music and dance, it come by fortune. It never come by your pressure or your forcing. It come by the fortune. It should be written in your fortune. When it is there in your fortune, in your destiny, that time only it will come. Okay,
Yes,
because
yes.
I heard this thing from many people. Though people love to dance, love to do those things, but if it is in your destiny, it will definitely come to you.
Yes, for
Yes.
me, ma'am, it was, not bearable things. It was so difficult for me. Okay, I was not able to understand even single step in Kathak. So
Oh,
difficult for me. Yeah. So
yeah, yes,
really,
some people really
uh,
face problems. I have seen.
yeah, maybe I feel, ma'am, some. different kind of interest we have, and like my son, he is also like me. He is only active in the academic things and education. He is not active in other fields. And my daughter,
Yes.
she is totally opposite.
Yes, na ma'am, because every person he is born with his uniqueness, right?
Yes, uniqueness. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, other question goes to you. How do you manage your timetable? Because
Uh,
you have a lot in your plate.
yes, ma'am, many things are there. I try to make to-do list. I always try to give priorities. Keep my first of all my family, then my this Kathak. My second priority is my phonic classes, then third Kathak, and now fourth is my English. So like this, I try to give, segregate my time, and whenever it possible for me to always try to give my 100%. Okay, ma'am. Here I want to tell you one thing that we are really very close to finish our session.
Okay.
And how the time flew, even I didn't know.
Yeah. Times fly in front of us
Yes,
and we
ye-
cannot see.
yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So,
So it,
ma'am, definitely like it's conversation, it's so nice.
yes, even I
I
also enjoyed a
inquired
lot.
totally.
Yes,
Yeah, I
and I
enjoyed
don't feel
totally.
that we are meeting very first time.
Yes, yes, like we know to each other
Yes, 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 yes,
since
ma'am.
2, 3 years.
Yes, it is like
Yes.
that. So thank you very much, ma'am, for joining me, and it was really a pleasure to share screen with you. Okay.
You are Jam person, ma'am. Okay,
Oh,
that
ma'am.
is why we feel. So we know each other.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for your kind words. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye.